ausnahmsweise am Start das Kunstflugteam aus Spanien, die Patrulla Aguila aus Spanien, unser diesjähriges Team, ganz toll. Dazu begrüße ich hier oben am Sprecherpult Capitano Luis Vercano, der diese Vorführung ganz toll präsentieren wird. Deshalb willkommen in Berlin. Bienvenidos a Berlin, Luis.
Vielen Dank, Bernd. Guten Morgen, meine Damen und Herren. In kurzen Augenblicken wird die Patrulla Aguila ihre Air Show von 2018 beginnen. Es ist Hauptmann Luis Vercano, Mitglied der Patrulla Aguila. Ich habe das Vergnügen, Sie zu begleiten und Sie für ungefähr 30 Minuten zu unterhalten in Delta Formation. Lautem Applaus für den Patrulla Aguila. Leading the formation, Aguila 1 is flown by Major Perez, serving as his 4th year as team leader. Major Perez is a highly experienced pilot with over 4,500 flight hours, having flown with the Patrulla in previous seasons as Aguila 3 as well as Aguila 5 solo. Throughout the display, 3 aircraft will remain in formation with the team leader of his right wing in her second season. Aguila 2 is flown by Capitan Maleo, an F-18 pilot with an experience of 1,300 flight hours. Capitan Malea is the first female pilot member of the flying team. Lautem Applaus für den Hauptmann Malea. Aguila 3 on the left wing is flown by Major Zambrano, a fighter pilot in his 3rd year. With more than 2,500 flying hours. Including Aguila 4 is the slot position is Capitan Ibanez, another F-18 pilot with experience of more than 1,200 flying hours. These 4 aircraft make up the formation known as a Diamond. Flying Aguila 5 in solo position, Major Marine Amira F1 pilot with 3,000 flight hours will push the CASA C-101 aircraft to its performance and structural limits. Rounding out the Patrulla respectively in the position Aguila 6 and 7. Team leader, seamlessly synchronizing the movement of the entire formation. And we will be ready while executing the maneuver. Aircraft from the outer edges of the formation must use maximum thrust in order to maintain the position. And when the maneuver is completed, the aircraft will switch into hornet formation. And you can see a barrel roll in air formation. And now they switch into hornet formation. A strong applause for a national team, Patrulla Aguila. Following the previous maneuver, the leader calls for a clover leaf. It begins like a 9 maneuver, but with the aircraft with 45 degrees nose up. The formation starts at 90 degrees stern, resulting in this fascinating maneuver. Here they perform the cobra maneuver, a modified version of the clover leaf. Remember that the white smoke you see is made by a smoke generating system installed in each aircraft. The system injects fuel directly into the aircraft exhaust stream, which is turned vaporized products in white contrails. Now you can see the 7 aircraft approaching in Aguila formation. Flyby. We will be ready and give them a huge applause for Patrulla Aguila. Loud them applause for den Patrulla Aguila. Flying at more than 300 knots in close formation. The team now enters a hard turn. Following this turn, the team will position into Delta formation. We can see the reposition into the Delta formation to return once again for a photo pass directly in front of the South Center. We will be ready with your cameras because Coast Crew is coming. Loud them applause for den Patrulla Aguila. Go can see a figure. It's a Coast Crew. While flying away from South Center, the aircraft change again to Delta formation throughout the display. The women must remain alert and ready to change from one position to the next. It's a spectacular runway. Loud them applause for them. Aguila 6 and 7, Capitan Martin and Capitan Valderas. A strong applause for both. Now we can see a switch into auto formation. And following the flyby, the pins move first to Milo, and finally to Super Milo. You can see the change to Super Mil formation. We're flying Super Mil formation. Aguila 4 and 5, fly close trail of Aguila 1, with the other aircraft maintaining close formation of Aguila 5. After moving their respective position, the formation accelerates for the other overtop. And we will be ready because following the overtop, the 9 maneuver, Major Perez will make a 2-step call directly, a spectacular rate. We will be ready to listen the voice of Major Perez directing the maneuver. South Center, a strong applause for our solo Major Martin. Again, from left to right, from right to left, the single pair opposing pass. The aircraft close with a relative speed of 300 knots. And again, it's a turn for the Diamond. From left to right, from right to left. Facing once again from left to right, the Diamond will perform for opposing but the Soul Center. Remember, Aguila 1, Major Perez. Aguila 2, Capitan Malea. Aguila 3, Major Tambrano. Aguila 4, Capitan Ibanez. Photo. Lot of applause for the Diamante. Once again, Aguila 1 and Aguila 3 come back to the Soul Center to do a special maneuver named double pop-up. To find a return with the other member of the Diamond, Aguila 2 and Aguila 4. The second part, the team separates into the 3 groups. The Diamond, the Berlin Solo, in order to execute a dynamic series of courses, opposing paces and coordinated maneuvers. Berlin-Schönefeld aircraft are always visible to the viewing public at the Soul Center. His outside turn, very difficult maneuver, piercing the stick forward. Major Marine is piercing it up out of the cockpit with a force of between 3 and 4 negative Gs, while maintaining altitude and airspeed, finishing the maneuver. A spectacular break, a strong applause for our single pair. Lautem applause for the spar. Passing from right to left, the Solo will execute a slow roll. While executing this maneuver, the pilot slowly turns the aircraft around its horizontal axis, carefully attracting the 5 contours to maintain the desired altitude. The Diamond is coming now in one formation, pulls into a 9 maneuver before returning again to the Diamond formation for a spectacular break. Team leader Major Perez leads Capitan García Malea, Major Zambrano, and Capitan Ibanez for the Diamond maneuvers. Following the Diamond break, we'll be ready to the solo repeats in order to join the maneuver with a corresponding pulling to the vertical. Lautem applause for the solo Major Marine and for the 2 aircraft seamlessly coordinate the roll rate so as to appear to be but 1 aircraft and his reflection. Maintain sight of these 2 aircraft as the Solo performs and opposing pass through the synchro from the left. Spectacular maneuver is a syncope with the middle and opposing path through the syncope from the left with a Solo. From the left, executes a series of rapid aileron rolls, maintaining altitude. Lautem applause for the Solo Major Marine. Once again, the Diamond approaches at the Soul Center for the bombas. Get your cameras ready and try to guess where the aircraft will go. A spectacular break. Our bombers stop. Aguila 7, Capitan Valderas, maintain an inverted position immediately over and behind. Aguila 6, Capitan Martin, remember, both aircraft maintain this inverted altitude with respect to the other alternative rolling around each other again and again. to the right. Again, Major Marin, our solo, now performs a series of gear-down barrel rolls. With the gear standing, aircraft maneuverability is reduced due to the high drag configuration, complicating the execution. Loud them applause for the solo Major Marin. And slightly to your right, the diamond is changing curriculum formation for a sequential break. During this maneuver, pilot coordination is extremely important to maintain symmetry between each aircraft. After this, they will follow the team leader in trail while he flies a 9 maneuver. Extreme centrifugal forces make it necessary for the last aircraft in trying to use nearly all thrust available to maintain the position. Very beautiful maneuver. A strong applause for our diamond. Again on the left, Aguila 5 begins the outside over top. Patrulla Aguila solo is the only pilot of national team to perform such a maneuver in the jet aircraft.
Just any rules to fight, but they didn't have ice cubes, so he bought vanilla ice. Now cruising in his Pinto, he sees home.
He is finishing the 9 maneuver outside, remember. Loud them applause for the solo Major Marin. Divide into 2 formations of 3 aircraft each in order to perform an opposing pass in poker formation. Don't lose sight of them as they pass. And prepare your camera, get ready your cameras to immortalize this spectacular maneuver. You'll be ready your cameras in 3, 2, 1, go! Loud them, applause for them, Patrulla Aguila. The spectacular 3 vessels taking opposing passing poker solo repairs for the Cobra maneuver. Major Marin, Aguila, Mirage, F1. Will push the CASA C-101 aircraft to its performance and structural limits. Major Marin is ready to execute a 9 maneuver. This aircraft to cross to the other CASA aircraft. We will ready, prepare your cameras for this spectacular crossing. We will be ready in 3, 2, 1, go! After the cross, the 6 aircraft will perform a 9 maneuver, followed by a low passing chopper formation. It's a spectacular 9 maneuver. A strong applause for our national team, Patrulla Aguila, flying in jumper formation. Lotte, applause för den Patrulla Aguila. And finally, we will start the third portion from left to right. The Patrulla Aguila will perform a flyby in a formation introduced to commemorate the pioneers of the aviation, namely the Plus Ultra. And all that talk. In the Plus Ultra formation, Aguila 4 and fly inverted immediately over Aguila 6 and 7, appearing as reflection of the two aircraft. Boom, 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 boom. Låt dem applås för den Patrulla Aguila! Since founded, the Patrulla Aguila has held the following roles to foster an aeronautical spirit within the instructors and cadets at the Spanish Air Force Academy, and to contribute to its practice to demonstrate the professionalism of the Spanish Air Force, to promote the Spanish aeronautical industry, and to encourage flight discipline. In a few moments, Patrulla Aguila will fly from right to left, displaying the colors of the Spanish flag. Have your camera ready for this patriotic photo pass. Please, a strong applause for Patrulla Aguila flying with the Spanish flag in this spectacular aeronautical event. Patrulla Aguila is composed of commanding officers and display pilots. Two spare pilot, a speaker and mobilization officer, and a group of maintenance personnel. Work done by the technician is essential. A big round of applause for them also. In the photo and image section also do an essential job recording of the exhibition. Patrulla Aguila dedicated photography and video photography team recalls all training, sorties, and team exhibition for later analysis. The team uses the usual tools to throw leaf,